Hello everyone, my name is Bateman and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing something a little different. I never really do like hair tutorials or like makeup tutorials on my channel just because I'm not really like a beauty guru, I guess you could say. I don't know, I'm not really like pro in that kind of stuff, but here we are. I'm going to be doing some fun hairstyles for you guys. I just wanted to let you guys know that this video is sponsored by Kriyya Hair. They are a hair extension company that sent me some extensions that I'm really excited to use, and let's get on with the video. Let's start off by taking my hair out of this scrunchie. We have this to work with right now. Good. Okay, so the first thing that we're gonna start off by doing is turning on our little heat curler. This is what we're gonna use mostly. And I always get a lot of comments asking about what wand I use. And honestly, you guys, I literally got this at Marshall's for 20 bucks. It's called the Absolute Heat Wand. I'm gonna go ahead and put this to 410 and we're gonna let it sit for a while. And I'm just gonna go ahead and brush out my hair. It's not looking good right now, guys. I would usually put some dry shampoo in my hair, but today it is freshly washed, so I don't need any dry shampoo. Isn't that surprising? The next step is super important. We gotta use some heat protectant, guys. The heat protectant that I'm using is the Schwarzkopf. And we're just gonna spray this all around our hair. Ooh, this stuff smells really good, bro. It smells banging. The first thing that we're gonna start off by doing today is putting on our hair extensions. And I haven't used these yet, so I'm really excited to use these. And these are just the clip-ins, so that is super convenient. Never used hair extensions, so I'm kind of scared, but I'm really mostly excited.
I'm about to have some long hair, guys.
Okay, guys, I just put my extensions in and I'm like shook, like holy crap. And like it looks weird right now because my hair is curled up top and they're like straight, but like whoa, like these match my hair perfectly. Holy crap, I'm so excited. Let's curl my hair. I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I curl my hair. I know that it looks weird right now, but don't look, because it's gonna look better after I curl it, okay? So don't look at what it looks like now, okay? Please don't touch me. So the way that I curl my hair is I wrap it loosely around the wand and I leave out like this much so that whenever you curl it, the ends aren't like curled too, so that it looks more like waves, I guess you could say. And I just like the way that it looks better when the ends are straight. Looks like that. So like it's like wavy and then the ends are like straight like that. Hold it around the wand, I'm gonna wrap this one a little bit tighter, and I just leave about an inch out, let it out, and bam. Bottom layer is done. Honestly, the blend of these extensions with my hair is like almost perfect. It's kind of weird. It's like my actual hair. Look at us go, guys. Okay, so now that the hair is all done, let me show you guys what it looks like. These are just the waves that I like to do all the time, just loose, really beachy waves. Okay, so now that the hair is all waved up and curled, we can go on with our hairstyles. Okay, so the first thing that we are going to do with our hair is just the everyday half up, half down with a scrunchie. So I start off from my eyebrows. I brush up the front just so that the front of it is not too bumpy. And then I take my scrunchie, put this part in a little ponytail. I like pulling the scrunchie to the front. I'll kind of volumize this part of it. I like to pull this part through, and then I pull out my front little baby hairs, and bam! This is the finished first hairstyle. I feel like it's just like such a go-to look, and I feel like it just looks so cute and adds something to an outfit. Okay, next look. I wear this all the time for school just because I don't like when my hair is on my face. And I also love this for the summertime with like natural hair, like beachy waves, you know what I'm talking about? So I like to take two thin pieces like this in the front. And I just like to do like a little braid to the back. Nothing like special or anything, just a regular braid. And I just feel like it looks so cute and like boho and just simple. I'm doing this without a mirror. Are you guys proud? I don't know what this looks like, so it could look really bad, and then that's just gonna be like really annoying. But anyways, so yeah, that is the second look. I put a scrunchie in just to add something else. That is the second look. I feel like it looks really bad. I don't know what it looks like because I can't see. You can also just pull out like the 2 front pieces. I always do that too. Ooh, that looks cute too. I always pull out the front 2 pieces in like every single look. Okay, for this look, you'll need 2 hair ties like this. You don't really need anything else. So this next look is inspired by Summer McKeen. I saw her do this in her hairstyle video and fell in love ever since I watched it because I just thought it was so freaking cute. So this is like, she called this the toddler look. So you take 2 hair ties and you put your hair in little pigtails. Do the same thing with the other side. I like to tighten them up so these 2 have a little bit more volume. I take both my fingers on the hair ties and I push forwards like 10 times just so that they're loosened up and there's more volume. Take hair out of these 2 parts like that. And that is the 3rd look. This is adorable. I mean, every single time I see Summer wear this hair look, I just think it's so cute. Also really summery, not summer like her, but like for the summertime, I feel like this is gonna be so cute. Okay, that hurted. That really hurted. Okay, for the 4th hairstyle, I'm really excited for this one because I've seen this like all over Pinterest. They're called bubble braids and I'm really scared to do them because I'm scared it's not gonna work, but I watched a tutorial on it. I think they're gonna be like so cute. Like if you're like an aesthetic person and you like wanna take like cute like hair pictures for your Instagram, I feel like this is like a really good look for that. So I have a bunch of mini elastics and I'm just going to wrap it around my hair. I used 3 elastics and I'm just gonna pull through and make them look like bubbles. Whoa, this looks so good. Oh my God, I was not expecting this. I don't wanna jinx myself for the other side. I'm pulling out like the back side of it so that there's more of like shape of like a circle. Whoa, dude. Okay, to finish it off, I'm gonna pull through my front pieces. Okay, so you guys are probably gonna think I'm slacking for this last hairstyle, but honestly, this has been my go-to this year. Like, I've been wearing this hairstyle so much. It's like not supposed to be like a cute put together one, but I honestly just think it's like my favorite hairstyle. But honestly, just high ponies and high buns. Like, those are so cute right now. It's not supposed to be like cute, but it's supposed to be cute. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? I'm just gonna put my hair in a super high ponytail with a scrunchie. I feel like the scrunchie is just what makes it cute, so. And I like to make it super duper high because I feel like it's just cuter that way. And just a little bit more quirky, you know, that's what we're going for. So first we're gonna pull out like a billion chunks of hair or else it's not gonna be cute. It's gonna look like you tried too hard and that's not what we wanna do. And we are going to push until this is loosey-goosey. And oh my God, like you can't tell me that it doesn't look good. Like, come on, like, you know. I feel like this is just like the best hairstyle out of all of them. Like I saved the best for last. Like this is just so cute. Look number 5. Also, you can just make it into a bun. Add the scrunchie on there and wham bam, thank you ma'am. So that is all of the hairstyles that I have for you guys today. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you want to stick around a little bit more often, then please make sure you hit that subscribe button. Bye guys.